$10 to go to Richardson.
Hey, Reggie.
Yeah. This is $15,000. Hard side. Still pretty nice.
Where are you going?
I think you gotta stop and set it up. Here, we just stop, level it, and get in it.
We could stop along the highway and have some lunch.
Yeah,
Didn't you do that?
yeah.
At that rest stop?
At the Indian Casino.
Well, no, I meant on the way from Burton Falls to Cherry Hill.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as we stopped someplace, somebody pulled up right next to us.
That's for the shoes.
If you next time you change your diapers or clean her up, I got some Neosporin if you want.